Hello, in this series of videos, we will see how to use Swift Data to build this amazing Note app, okay? And we will focus on the CRUD operation. What I mean by CRUD, I mean create, read, update, and delete, okay? Let me show you an example of what I mean. Here for the create, for example, if we come here and click on this plus button, we can create a new note. For the title, we can call it Allen Hotel. And for the description, enjoy your stay. Now, if I click on this save button, what it will do, it will save this note in our database, okay? And to prove you guys that this is safe inside our database, if I come here and I remove our app from the dock, so if I do this and I delete this app, and if I open the app again, you can see that we still have this Allen Hotel, okay? So this is the create, okay? Now for the read, as you can see, we are able to read our data from our database, okay? Now for the update, if I come here and I click on this Allen Hotel, we can update this, okay? So let's do that. We can update the title. So if I come here and tap Allen Hotel updated and I hit on save, you can see that now the title has changed to Allen Hotel updated, okay? And we can even do the same thing. We can remove this app and then launch it again. So if I do that, you can see that Allen Hotel is still updated, okay? So that's the update. Now, if I want to delete a note, what I can do, I can simply do a long press on this one, and you can see this delete button, okay? So if I hit on this delete, you can see that the Allen Hotel is gone, okay? So get excited for this, guys. As I said, in this series of videos, we will see step by step how to achieve this result, okay? So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next episode.